Hi, this is Neil, and today I'll show you how to change the cabin air filter on a Toyota Yaris. First, open the glove box, this black component on the passenger side. There is a part on the right-hand side of the glove box called the damper, enabling the glove box to open smoothly and slowly. And on the damper, there is also a clip. Pinch the clip and push the damper out to the right. Hold the sides of the glove box with both of your hands. Push inwards from both sides to disengage the tabs. And pull the glove box out, setting it aside. See these two tabs on the gray cover? Pinch the tabs together, open the cover, and slide it out to the right. Since the cabin air filter is angled with relation to the glove box, you must slide the cabin air filter out to the side. Grab the new cabin air filter and look for the arrow that indicates the airflow direction. In this case, it's up. Place the new cabin air filter in at an angle. Now reinstall the cover properly, ensuring that the arrow is facing in the proper direction, which in this case it's up again. Make sure these two sharp edges are aligned with these two holes in the back. Also ensure that the front two tabs are aligned with this hole here. Now push the cover back in. Finally, reinstall the glove box. Push the bottom two clips into their respective holes. Slide the damper to reconnect it with this other clip. Push inward from both sides of the glove box, then move it upwards to re-engage the top tabs. With that, we have successfully changed the cabin air filter on the Toyota Yaris. If you like clear, simple, and easy to follow car directions, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. If you have any comments or questions, make sure to type them in the comments below. Bye! I'll see you in the next video.